welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go over my October Allure Beauty Box. We're going to see if it's worth it to keep it around. First item I got is the Nuco. I believe this is a full size. It is Topical Vitamin C. It looks like this, and what you do is you either mix it into moisturizer or into some type of a serum liquid, and you put it all over your face. It's a form of topical vitamin C. To be honest, I'm not sure if I'd use something like this. It says it's made in the USA. It says to apply to clean skin daily. I'll give it a whirl. Next thing I have, which I'm kind of excited about, is this Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Supposed to use it on your under eyes, and after using nightly for about 2 weeks, she said her dark circles were less purple and my under eye bags were less puffy. We'll see. The retinol is probably decent in it. I use a form of retinol anyway from Avene. This is really good, this stuff. And I use it underneath my eyes and around the corner of my eyes for crow's feet and things like that. So I'm going to give this a go. Then I have a static nail, and don't really paint my nails, as you can just tell they're in horrible shape. I need to cut them, so that's pretty good. Then Dr. Jart cream, Serum cream. So this type of cream. It says apply to entire face evenly to retain healthy hydrated skin. I have a feeling it's one of those that you use a moisturizer on top of so it keeps in the moisture, or you do it on wet skin to keep the moisture in. I have hydrating collagen eye pads. I'll give those a go. Those look interesting. I have a liquid lipstick from Sigma. I'm kind of impressed with Sigma's eyeshadows. I didn't realize how good they were. I have one of their palettes that I'm going to use on camera in a little bit. But I like to give that a go. Then they gave the Native Fig Replenishing Shampoo and Replenishing Conditioner for $23.95. This retails for $65. I don't think I'm going to continue getting the Allure Beauty Box. My reasoning is because I like to listen to Dr. Dre, and she tells you all the drugstore skincare that's really good for you, that does the same thing as the expensive stuff does. I just don't think I need this in my life, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'm gonna, oh, and I forgot Roche Posay. I was really glad I got this. This is something that I can buy. This is like $12.95, and it's an intense repair moisture cream, and it's no fragrance. So this is something that I would recommend, and I know that Dr. Dre would recommend. So I'm excited about that. Other than that, I think this is going to be my last box with them. I don't know. You tell me. Do you think it's worth the $23.95 now? Even it's mainly skincare. I was hoping for makeup is what I was hoping for, to get some of their Allure Best makeup. There is sample size makeup, but I was hoping for a little bit more makeup. This is turning into mainly a skincare, and I had a skincare one before. I liked it. I liked it a lot. It was decent. But I'm just not that interested anymore. So this is my last one. Have a good one. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you hit that like down below. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.